For a certain pair of non-zero numbers on the number line, is zero between the two numbers. So what is this asking? If they're asking is zero between our two numbers, they're really asking, do our two numbers, we can call them x and y, do x and y have different signs? So statement one says the sum of the two non-zero numbers is negative. Okay, so let's think about this. So we got our numbers here, x and y, and all that matters is they got to sum to some negative. So what is one way we can do that? So let's say we got one example here where x is equal to 4. So now to get a negative from that, what do? We have to add a negative number, not just a negative number, but a negative number that is of bigger magnitude, further from 0 than 4. So 4 plus negative 5, for example, would give you negative 1. And so here, x and y have different signs. So in terms of answering our question, this is a yes. Now, is there, now I'm thinking, is there a way where I can get the same result without having two numbers with different signs? And I can see one way is, well, what if I start out with a negative number? Because then all I have to do is just add another negative to it. And so I can add, negative 3 to get negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7. So I get a sum which is negative, and here I don't cross 0 at all. So this guy is insufficient. Statement 2 says the product of the two non-zero numbers is negative. So this is telling me x times y is less than 0. So what does that mean? The only way to get a product which is negative or less than 0 is by multiplying numbers with different signs. So either I have a positive times a negative or a negative times a positive. Regardless, it still answers our question. You're always, we rephrase the question as just, do x and y have different signs? Here they definitely have to. So B is sufficient.